really quick. So you're supposed to do the odd numbers. So here's the first one. You can put this over 1 if you like. That just becomes, simplify before you can multiply. That's fine. Decimal. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Negative times a positive is a negative, and we get negative 8. Same thing here. We have, it's a negative, this one's a positive answer. So again, let's change it. Again, we can simplify quite a few things here. A few numbers. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 14 is 2. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. So negative and negative positive, 2/5. That's 5. Well, this one is just 56 divided by 7, or negative 7, sorry. And this just gives us negative 8. 7, again, I'm going to rewrite this. So it's negative 9 over 14 times, well, first of all, let me change that to an improper. So that's 20 times 1. It's 20. It's 25 over 20, negative, which we're going to use its reciprocal, which becomes 20 over 25. Can I simplify anything? Yeah, we can. 20 divided by 5 is 4, divided by 5 is 5, and then I can do the 4 and 14. 14 divided by 4 is 2, 14 divided by 2 is 7. Anything else? No. So on the top I got 18, at the bottom I get 35, and it's a positive quotient. Where am I? 9. Oh, okay, so a little decimal work. So again, what are we going to do? We're going to change the denominator to a whole number, so I'm going to multiply that by 10. I'm going to multiply the top by 10, which basically I get 3, and on top I'm going to get 46.5 negative. So let's change that, and let's do it this way, right? So 46.5 divided by negative, right? So that's a negative, divided by 3, right? So again, if you automatically went this way, right, isn't that the same thing? You move decimal 1 over, which becomes a 3, and decimal 1 over, and you get 46.5. So, well, let's use this one. So that's, sorry, it's a negative. My quotient is going to be negative. 3 goes into, that's 3. Carry, bring the 1 down. Sorry, 4 minus 3 is 1. 16 comes down. 3 goes 16 5 times, which is 15. 1 left over, bring that 5 down, and 3 goes into 15 5 times. Don't forget to carry your decimal to the top. Final answer, negative 15.5. Is that 9? Okay, so that just a few lines. So 11, you can do the whole thing, but I asked you only to do the odd numbers. So 11, running back, carries the ball 9 times, total loss of 15 and 3/4. So find the average change in field position. Well, the change is going to be negative, right? So our answer is going to be negative. So it's negative 15 and 3/4, right? Divided by 9, because it's a loss, right? So 4 times 5 is 40. No, 4 times 15 is 60, and that's 63 over 4, negative. The times and the reciprocal of that is 1 over 9. We can simplify the 63 and 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 63 divided by 9 is 7. Final answer, negative 7 over 4, or 1 and 3/4. Right? So he lost 1 and 3/4 yards per carry every time he carried the ball. 13, hot air balloon descended 96.6 meters. So again, in 12 seconds, what was the average rate of descent for the balloon? So again, it's going to be a negative, right? Because the change is negative. So 96.6 divided by 12. I put a negative sign there. So we want to find the rate per second. 12 goes into 99 8 times, which is 96. Subtract, we got 3 left over. Let's put the decimal up, bring the 6 down. 12 goes to 36 3 times. So final answer, the rate of descent was negative 8.3 meters per second. And finally, the last question, 15. 15. Here we go. So is the answer correct? I think that's the question, right? So let's actually do it and compare our answer to his. Negative 3/4 divided by 4/3. right? So I'm just rewriting that first part. So that's our question. So we're going to change it to a multiplication. Negative 3/4 times 4/3. And everything looks, sorry, I'm doing the same thing. So reciprocal of 4/3, which is 3/4. And then can we simplify anything? No, we can't. So negative times a positive is a negative. 3 times 3 is 9, and 4 times 4 is 16. Final answer, negative 9/16. So that's the correct answer. And you can say that he did not use the reciprocal of 4/3, right? He should have used 3/4. Okay, and that's that. Very simple. Don't forget your big ideas.